This is part 2 of how to install CoreELEC on one of these Dune media players. This is the firmware that I'm using on this device. Now, one thing we have to do, we have to go into the developer's options. Make sure you got OEM unblocking. US debugging is enabled. And of course, enable developer option, that's enabled. So you got to have those 3 enabled. Okay, I already downloaded and installed this application, Reboot to CoreELEC. That is the application we will be using to set up the CoreELEC onto that pen drive, flash drive. Now I will insert that flash drive that I created earlier. I will insert it into one of the USB 3 ports right now. This is the message that pops up when I plugged it in. But that CX File Explorer, that's one of my applications that I've installed. It is a file browser, and it is outstanding. Okay, here's what we've got. No action. No action. Okay, now we're going to go to Reboot to CoreELEC. Now, since it's the first boot, that's the one I'm going to use, so right there. Now, let's see what happens. Now we're in real time. Now let's say it boots into CoreELEC. It's doing something. There we go. Okay, we're into CoreELEC. That's all there was to it. I did not have to do any power down or anything like that. So that was very simple. And hopefully you won't have any issues doing the same thing I did. Thank you for watching.